Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. Hope you're having a wonderful day, anywhere you are or anywhere you're watching from. Welcome to another day, another video. Welcome. Thank you guys so much for liking the video. I thank each and everyone that subscribed to Akeynote Life in Jamaica. You know, we've been on this journey and we're going to continue also on this journey. You know, we all have a purpose, and I guess I am fulfilling mine, you know, so I guess I find mine, you know. So yes guys, so today is a bit bleaky. The road is bleaky, you know. Rain look confused, but the sky look worse or confused. I don't know if it's gonna rain or not, because take a look outside. As you can see, it's gray like the England sky. It's a gray day today. You know, I know when it's gray like this, you know, look out for rain. You know, when it's gray like this, you look out for rain. So hopefully we don't get any rain today. Hopefully at all, you know. So alright guys, so I'm gonna head into Hyper Spice to get myself some munchies, head into Trenchtown. I got a few things I have to do, you know, a couple of stuff I need to do as well too. So I don't know which one I'm gonna start first. So I guess after I have this Hyper Spice food, I guess this can, like, you know, open up my mentals and show me the path where to walk and what to do. So guys, best of love to you all. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So let's take you into Hyper Spice to see you are going on the menu today. So in general, is African story. Alright. General story.
George Bob. Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Yes, that brother. Guinea and the same one I met herbal here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in a wine now.
Oh. Guinean wine. Guinean wine, bro.
Where you want?
This is the wine of the Guinean. It tastes just like wine. Probably much better than the original wine itself. Wow. Tastes good. Tastes good, man. What them say? Christmas comes only once a year, but today me at Hyper Spice here. I want to decorate it like a Christmas tree. I want to decorate it like a Christmas. This name the One Life Steam, you know. Guys, I don't want to say I'm showing off because I'm eating healthy, you know. I'm eating plenty, so you guys can also, you know, get the feed of it. So it's not about I'm not showing off. I'm just happy eating healthy. You know, feel good eating good. See, I still stop using all these stuff. The plastic forks and them stuff. Calabash way.
You know, introduce my tuna for.
Them know about it, man, but when I say what go on with the business?
No, some in there, man. They can show.
See, you know, promote. See them? Greens, them say, you know, represent for the universe that we get from you. Just like I represent for the universe and drop right away. So we have Ice Straight.
Yeah, man. Ice Straight back in business. Forward in business.
Just like a hurricane, but it's all this way.
We're forward in business. But up. You see me, I say?
Turtle?
Yeah, man.
The turtle back one. Jeez. Turtle back one, guys. Ice Straight in business. So this is the turtle.
Forward in business.
Circle for the turtle back. I want that bad.
Go there, man. That one that hard, no. I want the bad, man. I see the Dr. Bird one there. Yeah. You know what I see Dr. Bird one?
No.
So next little turtle here too.
So Dr. Bird had a part to clean out your teeth. If something sticking in it.
Yeah, man, but one price.
Then one Ice Straight when you come high bus price, you need the wooden spoons or the wooden fork. Just ask for Ice Straight. You tell them. And them straight, them no lean. You might see a bend and a curve, but trust me.
Yeah.
Them straight from the scheme. See them?
Yeah, man. What about the big one them too?
Kitchen one, right?
Kitchen one, you see me?
Take up the rice. This is the rice one?
Rice. One rice. Quinoa.
Quinoa. You know some people when they buy, if they make quinoa, they're going to use them rice and take up the rice and peas. They know the thing of the pumpkin rice.
Rub, chain and everything.
Representing.
Yeah, man. So one for other street.
Never to.
Representing. I have a spice.
That is right.
No.
They say have a dub plate, what go on?
They say one dub plate.
That's tell me from what you say. They say have a dub plate.
To all the people who visit Iowa Spice before, travel in and out our door.
Yeah.
We glad you came along.
Yes.
So I dedicate this song to all the people who visit Iowa Spice before. To all the people who is watching Kino Live. And you wanna visit Iowa Spice. If you're overseas, you better go and book your flight. And come and visit Iowa Spice. Yeah, it's Kino Live. Listen, pick up yourself.
Ice Straight. Never leave.
If you wanna visit Iowa Spice and taste the life, the food so good, you have to eat it twice.
Well guys, I'm back here in Trenchtown now. So I'm going to head in Spanish Town, but I got this box here from Caregiver, you know. Jackson, cool, no? Got this box here sent from the Caregiver from the USA, but there's something in there for the blind brothers, you know, from the Caregiver, you know, someone known as the Caregiver. So, and the rest of stuff them in there for, I think it's for Cranberry and the family, you know. So I'm gonna literally take out the stuff that's in there for Orlando, you know, and then now the rest we'll just give it to Cranberry, you know. So I'm gonna take the Spanish stuff and do that right now before all of that. So if we try to do so basically most of the stuff in here are for Cranberry them, but there's something in there for the guy at Spanish Town.
That's $1 Oh, don't forget to put this Akeynote.
The blind brothers. Oh. Like this caregiver. What is it? Eat. Now this is glass tonight. Got a glass tonight this one. Eh? What you say? You say for me are you? Alright then. One roast. Make it a toast. Well, just touched down in Spanish Town. Just touched down in Spanish Town. Latest bleaky. Shut the beard.
Alright, go general. Yeah, man, I'll be a problem. Yeah. Run 2020 on that ground. Today I'm on that ground. Yeah. We till our shots get a family. Yesterday, sick and dead. Came already.
Right, go on, everything go on.
Up and up. They are Ramirez, man.
She's right.
When boy, they're going to build no shop. Our house. Our shop, I don't even know. Oh, I build about a shop here. So them put it there, the people, them play shop. And I may put it up there because I show me a show about my cat. A black cat, so. I show about my cat. Right, sir, right, sir. Oh, yeah. Right, sir. I show about my cat, so me. Finger up there, sir. Oh, you feel him up there, sir? Yeah, my dark and grand. Yeah, that September 21 born. Yeah. September 21. That's how what me I can't come now. That's how what me know.
Can't put it. Ah, bless. It's peer palette over the hole instead of. Okay, I know better.
No, man.
Bark, everything good.
No, I never try the root.
Bless it.
Yes, man.
You know I'm sick, man.
And the back,
the
on the
work,
tree,
man.
back here, fire dry.
I can't get to go bed.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
yes, somebody
yeah,
said to me, I go sit down and take a chop.
Alright, you say shower.
Yeah, that me go do because me can't manage to go around like battery go bed so me crawl. Hold on and help me come here so me go. So me go bed. See if I take off my clothes. So me say me could have been take I say when you fall in the Holy Spirit, you know. Because me I watch the program what they are see you get some stuff. Me say yeah me. I bet you not gonna come here when Nikki Chaga at church. So I'm left, you know, I'm in there dilly with you me. Now look at them about to come again, so.
She gone to church?
She gone to church.
Long time she gone?
Yeah man, she gone for a man, and I go till about 7:30 this evening.
Okay.
Where so 7:30?
About 7:30 before they come in.
She not going to finish gun, no, right there.
You don't have cost me, no?
Makoso?
Okay, class me on gang me. She take time and come and a little while that year. Me cost me husband. My husband walk out for me.
Say, I'm going to make it make it supper. Now making that, I'm not moving granny. I walk out with you and she make me come back. Cost me that. You won't call me. He said, I walk out with 1 month and lock up the phone and talk about that.
Well, him head a go. So him not really sound.
No, go.
You know what, I'm a wheelchair. He a wheelchair. And he take it come like him take it put one in head. And him tell him hang me and class me. And cuss me. Hang me most way. And I said to God, you know, if we would have get one room for the 5 years, so and put me can't get help. I just frustrated. I go through hell here. If I could have get somebody, if somebody when I do, I could have, I want to go place one room, I could have left and go. And my husband could have stayed and get them left here. So, I go through it. I go through it, brother. I go through it.
But him have mental problem, right?
You me tell us because I'm David and I worry.
Yeah, I can see if I'm seeing him not stable. You know? Him not aware of what him do. Trust me.
I don't know him.
And then 3 months more and everything and really. Remember, he mental, he got that man. It's not the right to
Answer me, I never said don't keep him answer me.
No, true.
It says something to me.
Yeah, I look on him and say, are you too?
Me.
Mommy, something wrong with him, Mommy.
You can't tell when somebody not normal from normal.
Tell him I put you in here, hungry me. I tell him my brother. I tell him I go through hell. I even look at Nikki paid bread. When you're hungry, Nikki shot.
I'm missing our gospel. I'm buying that day. When you get our lunch money, yeah.
I tell him boy, born for meeting.
I true when I go through, you understand?
I understand, but not say if you disrespect your parents.
Yeah.
Because you know, you say when I want him in the first place, I don't want him. Not tell him to take up the girl, I don't want him. I say things, listen to me. You can't be able to the way you be. If you go, you can't give comfort where you want. But they say if you go, use condom. Now here, and Babs, you end up with that. And at the end of the day, me have to the nice stick. Can't work so. And that will get me messing up my blood pressure. Because I said they had Mr. Jones not there. During the weekend on the weekend he come in. And he can't stand and I get the couscous and see me I get couscous and in eye. But they ain't go with me now here from him. Me worried, my head hurt me, the pressure gone up, everything me just have to just pray. I mean no God answer me prayer because God say he not forsake me. And he always there with me, now he me up in the pen pan. But it's hard. It's very much hard, man.
Yeah. I'm in one very dark place. You understand?
Yeah, me know.
I'm in a very dark place because of what I go through.
Me know.
So that, and then and I like say him can do better. Him can do better. You know? You have to get him in a rehab and let him go think there. Him have to go in there.
Yeah, man, you can get some more.
Can they not smoke as well to
You
with
not
everything so.
eat.
That's so like somebody normal.
No, sir.
Exactly.
Me other 6 son need help, you know.
You can't say something for the more, just saying.
Me other 6 son need help. You see the one that's sick. The one there, me king on my place. So when he me dep on him foot, me no shot and nothing. But him now here and he make him give him a tail in a weed and knock him out. 3 son me have, you know.
Who them say them give him lizard tail who say that?
In a weed. People not confess that they do it, man, who do it.
Madam,
One of the person friend, they dead, she dead now. She make me know.
oh,
Boy, God not leave me now. This me, so when I take up the cross, you have to be here, you know. God, remember God come and take you for you and I have to go through a lot of things. So you have to expect say you go through. You can't expect say you serve God and in life easy with you.
yeah.
It a go rough at times. Boy, but me I tell you say hard for me, hard. Let me say hard, hard. Hard, me I tell you hard, man, but you know God not give me home, I can bear.
That's the thing. He might go through it, you know.
Long time.
Before Nikki Shaban. After Shaban.
Nikki Shaban have HIV. I don't know how she know about it.
Oh, see.
Because she not suck my breast.
Okay, that's fine.
She not suck the breast. It's hard.
So you might take your medication?
Take one.
Then I
Get
should
medication
say-
you not take it.
No, take it.
If you follow people, you know, you say if you follow him, you know help look over. If you follow him, you know help look over. But you say because I know better, and God a God, you know give me where you can be, you know.
And you can't follow him, but I'm telling you straight.
No, me not follow him. My husband fed up and can't take it though.
Yeah.
Because my husband don't get no children, you know.
When I get none.
No. Him fed up and him frustrated. But then go me now hear from him start worrying me. I say, Father God, oh, me tell you so that's a prayer. Prayer is key to everything. God answer prayer. Call me church people them and me pray and me ask God. I said to him, say, not because him a behave the way him a behave. Don't take him for and pray me.
Yeah.
Because we take a vote with those part and I find a fault with. So no give up on me. Remember say me now we me can't manage. And I say me mobile, because me know while me not make no trouble me.
Because more time when I go through them stage, them really aggressive, you know.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
That's because of what them inner.
Yeah.
So that's why you have to always just be
Because I pray for them. Because my son, I love him. I love him. But me tell you, say the main one, I want God touch and get better, the one on the road. Because when you think he couldn't go answer with me? He couldn't be answer with me, holding corner.
Who's the older one?
The other one, my last one.
Oh, my last one.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
But me just ask the extended family, all of the Christian, they may be going to prayer. Because the prayer can keep me. Because me follow where I go, put me on my head, me gone crazy. I can't afford that, because me and the King shall believe for catching on the mother. I'm sharp. And if you follow him, you don't do nothing, but me can't do that.
Yeah, you can't do that.
No. So right now, if I get help, give me a drinking or drink out of him.
Yeah, I'm going to do them thing if I say numb in pain. I'm going to go through and say very in distress.
Our the clear and cleanse up $8,800 in all for 3 months. What I the one 3 buckle down go do.
Well, you see, what you don't need some proper detox.
Yeah, the detox,
and the detox where you're gonna need, yeah. You're gonna need somebody with next year for help you to clear up yourself. Isn't because something more gonna make you mess up yourself.
Yeah, that is one of the somebody they call name the positive where you that put.
Commode?
Yes, one night more.
There's gonna be a big one. You get a big commode. I believe I see them. You know so small with a big commode.
One man when me can use, because me have not dealer, no, not me the granddaughter, me the big granddaughter. She visit me once in a while.
Trust me, you see, I have a whole heap of cleaning out for those.
Yes.
You see me? And you see the thing we call a duck flower.
It may try me more again.
But you see that you can't manage that.
That me manage, you know, it all make me vomit and me do the me know.
At the same time,
Then
You see me? That's something where it go ring you out.
Well,
Literally,
never make up my
like.
mind. It because I'm living in toilet.
But that's if your system can take it. You see me? Because there's something where ring you out, like proper ring you out.
When me want it.
Through your nose, through your ears, through your mouth, through everywhere.
Well, like me want.
You know? That get out all parasite, everything. You
It
see
me
me?
want. It me want get. Come I them forget. Me tell them make it go me get.
See if you can manage a duck floor.
Yeah, me manage man. Me want get it because I get it for me. Me manage
What
man.
the people where me know we go through
No,
it, so yo.
me go through it, man. Me go
They
through.
no wish that for nobody. You have to have somebody right next to you for that 6 hours there, because for 6 hours it work for you for you know. Non-stop, you know.
Me man, only
You
come
ever
out.
duck floor boom?
If me get it, if me get the commode, me tell you say, we work with it.
Duck floor they might not leave you out, might just
clean
rock
out
you.
everything when
Like
they-
you wash a rag and they go ring it out. I say it ring you out,
Lord
man.
Jesus
Ring it
have
right
mercy.
out, man.
Me manage man.
You dip on the toilet and you have them at the same time, you know what I'm saying?
That remind me when me the
Sweat
solar,
like
me the
this.
solar the
Yeah,
Akeynote
but
leaf,
yeah.
Akeynote seed. When I time me the take one Akeynote seed and then I see anything happen to me. Me a pass through me button like a pipe. And me mouth everything. And when it is and a bitter, what they call it? When they call it some bilious, everything.
Bilious,
And so when it done with you, you feel like cock.
Yeah, that
And
really.
then now, you change the diet.
Mm-hmm.
And about with the whole heap of meat thing and rubbish thing, you just forget about that and that no.
Well, your husband not for there right, you know go no time.
But mercy
You have to do right next to you.
Him a pay-
As I go pluck him plop. As I go pluck him wife. As I go God trust me when that done with you, man.
Well,
It's the people who are vegan, vegetarian, do them thing them tell us boy.
well, me have to take it now
Oui.
because me want me know take a weekend me make up my mind. Me make up my mind to deal with it. Me make up my mind.
Eh?
And when I tell it, you not gonna come on.
No, but you forgot the fair though.
But me work 3 days a week.
You work 3 you gotta stay home for that 3 days.
And me can't stay home.
You can't stay home.
No.
So somebody I forgot there. You know? Because I make
I
sure.
have nobody there near him neither.
I should not got nobody near her though.
Me sit down on the bucket, me not get up a vibe.
That's something we're gonna make them tell you want to lie down on the ground when it's done with you. You know?
Well, when me done, me try to God to give me this strength between myself. Me have to take it. Come hey, listen to me. The doctor medication cannot help.
Mm-hmm.
I me tell myself that the herbal thing me want go on, and I eat me I go on. I me have to go on it. Me want to get rid of the cushion and me put them. You see them? Look them. You see that as well? The water, the fluid now go nowhere. I go down to the foot. It now go nowhere. See when me read my Bible, and I say me have to check, me have to attend to the glass. It's important right now. Come here, they make attempt. Me ask somebody for when I'm Rasta bridging. We go down a low down there. So King Isis medication. They said that, but they're expensive. One bottle of the tonic have 18,008. That then after you detox everything that they are going to take that in the week. They say it will circulation and everything, you know.
Yeah.
But that's 3 months what I have to take. Me now work now when I'm home, I go manage. But God I go help me to manage, you know. Because I make trust.
As I talk about that, we bring 2 donations, one for you and one for Nikisha. But Nikisha not here. You know. So if we receive this for Nikisha also. Right, so we have a donation from Diamond. You know, her name is Diamond from Boston. And this is $15,000 a year for you. From Diamond from Boston.
Diamond from Boston.
Mm-hmm.
God bless you. Receive this on the behalf of my granddaughter that she can.
No, that's yours.
It's mine, okay.
Yeah.
I received this and I give you thanks. May God bless you. So basket and never empty. God bless you. Bless your family. And restore her to get double time. And this God bless you.
Okay. And this one is for Nikisha, which is $7,000 for Nikisha from Diamond also.
Diamond, thank you on the behalf of me, Nikisha. She can get this way for the school lunch money because she really have it hard. So God bless you. May God bless and keep her so that she will never empty.
Them not treat me good.
Yeah, so Diamond, so we thank you so much as well for blessing Miss Gracey and our granddaughter, you know, for all these blessings. So, you know, I think that we give thanks, so we thank you so
Not even
much.
Mother's Day.
You know.
Not even
So that's her, Miss Gracey's son here speaking,
big
and
son.
then kind of mentally off the chart, you know, depressed, you know, but
Don't talk about Mother's Day. None of them.
you have to, I'm telling you, you have to just see it, ignore it.
Me not pay no mind, at all, my brother. Me not pay no mind, but God, and then I give me more can do. All me have to do just try the best. But as me say, believe right here, so I'm glad of me believe right here, so trust me,
And
call.
go which way?
Me not anywhere where God want put me. Or somebody could come out and me can get more help. Because for then I can't have some, I want to go buy something. Me not none of them for help me, nobody not around me, if my husband not there. When he female take him, me can't call him, do nothing. Because when me just tell me, say, nah, make Nikisha do this, and I go dinner date for water first, second Nikisha. I mean, me can't afford that.
They want to go water. Where brother in there?
Unsound, he's got that unsound mind, unsound. William?
Sean, you know Sean.
Oh. One Sean.
Yeah.
Oh, go on.
Yeah, no further.
You think of one?
No.
No go on. That all the rims.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, wash your foot. Yeah, touch the road.
No, I'm not touching
Oh,
the
my girl.
That's what me have on the shoes there.
Okay.
What's up, listen, sorry.
Right here, sir.
No, right, yeah, right, this is.
Oh, go. So you start pee up yourself already.
No, man.
See? Yeah, pee up himself. Right. Eh? Oh, start drinking the rum.
Won't stop drinking rum.
And then I can say, I go bust up pee and same time, water and pants are wet up same time. You taste the mind in the day. Your puppy not make him run away, you know. Yeah? I know he might feel that way and feel like say, but he don't know better. He might get aggressive like that because I mental issue, I go through him stress. You see me? Him not weird. But you have to just be mindful. And the best for you not follow him up. When you hear him talk, nobody toe to toe, just leave him make him talk.
You know, pay my
If you
mind.
can just stay out time way, stay out time way. You see me? Yeah, so the less attention they give him. Because I see him when I say, he should pay up himself. So not somebody that will stay up, man.
No, so I can stop drinking. You see me life, you stop drinking.
You can.
And you can't tell him to stop drinking at the time in court.
You cannot tell him that. Until say people like them, they hold them and bring them go rehab.
Yeah.
You have to tie him up, you see me? But if you ever tell him to stop doing anything, he's going to retaliate. You understand? You can't tell him to do nothing and him do it. He's going to retaliate. You see me? So the worst thing that I'm going to tell him to go stop drink and stop smoke. You must want him fling beer to 1.5 hour. And that's him. You see me? Don't say that because he don't want to hear that. You understand, Gracey?
I tell you.
He don't want to hear that.
You hard when you hard. No, if you have your child and carry the child a beer 9 months carry him come here when he come in condition. But at the time we tell you now, no one will know say God soon coming now. Because he say in him come parents are going to get children that are getting parents.
Let him chew then.
You're playing.
See him
So
pee up the whole of himself.
if the Bible fulfilled, so all you have to do I just look up. Just go and pray, can't stop, don't become I don't have child already now. That's a finger thing. You can't cut your baby till you well. You can't give up, but at times it's hurt, it's hard.
I understand.
You know, if you know say if your husband move out left, you remember you can't you're not mobile.
Well, that's what I'm tell your husband say.
It's because you don't get no children, you don't understand.
Yeah. Same
You understand? You was a father. And the person who have children was a mother. We understand. We did not understand. You understand? So the only thing we have to do is just continue pray. Continue pray.
Best thing I have to try to get him in a rehab.
Me no the paper put me can do.
Somebody
And the one
can.
that put me have one on the road, I want come up by road. But when they eat, I eat out the garbage, but I want get up by road.
Or you call the police and then bring me. Yeah, we use the police and then bring me. Now back phone as well too.
Are the wrong one with it?
No?
Oh,
Or this Gracey granddaughter.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Yeah, I forgot about these. Andrew from the US. He sent pills as well too. For your feet. You know. I think these are for your leg. This one at the back layer for your leg. From Andrew. And these are it's a pill for your feet as well too. Peel them as well too inside.
Andrew, may God bless you, keep you, guide you and protect you. And may God bless and consecrate them, Father God, and make them help me that them work. But that's so happy and jump with joy to take these and this work. God bless you, Andrew. God bless you.
You know about them.
I'm going to read it.
Go read them.
I'm going to read it.
And this is you have more here.
God bless you, Andrew. God bless you. May your store back here never empty. One day happy Nikisha.
Yeah, just put them in another leg. So them here. And it's Keisha, right? You see this?
God bless you.
You see this? A body wash them, you know.
Okay.
Not sweetie, yeah?
Okay.
It's a body wash. You work in front of and you just put a little.
And Nikisha, get them a lovely something.
Yeah, so just remember it's a body wash.
Yeah.
And this said Joyce. Like, yes, them I say.
Aggressive.
Yeah.
God bless you.
And we have a pair of shoes here for Nikisha as well too.
Miss me watching you, I see when she take everything, then the bag, I put it like that. What? I'm not sure I'm unless I can write down there, look out the something because the phones come to me and say, alright, put this in the water, you say.
Sick.
It's alright, put one. It's kind of a little bit bigger than I put much, but she can't wear it. God bless you, Andrew. May God bless your store basket and never empty. I'm so happy. But me happy for them, but you see pillow you're saying? May God bless and keep you, guide and protect you. And may I pray that them work, that me can jump again, that me can get to God church, because I'm tired of going at the yard. Honestly. Me give thanks. Me grateful and you know. Without you this could not be. God bless you. Me let her pray for that time. As me wake up and my eye open. Prayer go through. At night time me I go to bed. Pray even me set the tablet. Me one tablet can break and I'm still do. Me set the time me pray 3 times a day. Sometimes and every time I remember be 3 but when me 2 now pass, me pray for you. May God bless you and keep you. And my sister, God bless you. Take care of me like you take care of your mother. Take care of your mother, man. I respect you for that. And if all day one go, as I love her so much, I can't talk a lot. I love how she care for your mother, check for your mother, say to her mother go through right at all time. Me I tell you, I don't put up what you do. No program, man.
Alright then.
Yeah, man.
Take it easy, yeah?
Yeah, man.
As I say.
Yeah, I'm tell you, say if you care about the jackpot, over camera, you get the jackpot that the jackpot.
I don't get any more. I
don't remember what you done.
I don't get any more as yet. Yeah, but you took the while lay with the tree, so anything will ripe him gone with it.
Oh my goodness. God bless you.
So take care, yeah?
Yeah, man. God bless you.
Charles, then, yeah.
Yeah.
Papi,
Yeah.
remember I tell you, you know.
Take care.
Yeah, we see.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
And nobody running left her again.
No. Alright?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shawnee B. Look more now.
Yeah.
One with the faith, yeah?
Nah, big amount. Oh, tell her.
But what me I say, yeah? Take it easy with everybody, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Sound clash yet, you know. Use a sound clash yet. That's
Gone in.
You don't know sound now come.
No.
Judge.
Judge.
Turn on the radio.
Judge, push up on that sheet. Judge.
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 Well, I'm the man that come where you know the man name, man.
Yeah, man. Remember.
Yeah,
I want Judge.
Answer.
Judge.
No.
Judge.
No.
Judge.
Yeah.
No.
Where go on?
God.
You gone in?
Yeah. Are you going to
I'm come so late. Well, it's early for me and late for you. No. At that man.
No.
Eh? It's early. No, it's
22 after 5.
yeah, 20 after 5 in the evening. I show them time here is your bedtime. Early. Yeah, but I your bedtime. They are past through. I bring some Ensure phone as well, you know. Bring some stuff. Bring some phone, Ensure. And bring a bag as well too. Yeah. So how you feeling now? You good? Eh? If me what? Orlando. Guys, you know sometimes where's that? Repeat again. Oh, Orlando? Orlando! Oh, where that's a while ago?
No, it's then carry Ensure for you. That our milk drink.
Yeah.
No.
I know that. I get on.
Yeah, man, me know that, man. Me know say if you keep them.
Oh, that's him say. If you keep them.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, man, I man keep them, man.
Yeah.
Somebody send a little bar with some stuff in there, man.
Yeah.
You on there. Cheers! Oh, good! Yeah. Make sure you and Patrick living good. Right?
Yeah.
Alright. Up there, I come pass through, come go on a quick check before I leave. Eh? What you say?
Oh, he's saying cuss, but he still talk to him. Something like that thing say.
Oh, him cuss, but you still talk to him.
Yeah.
You know malice him. Nah, vex with him. No, sir. But him vex with you?
No, I'm Ghana.
Him
Call him.
Him call you? Oh, so that mean him not vex with you then?
No.
Nah. Oh, no, they just cuss, but him don't vex.
No.
That's good. We have coal? No stuffy.
Yeah, if it coolest.
No stuffy. We give to them when they know stuff up like that. You
know, so I just alcohol might rub on them. I don't have nothing like when I get them. Or I boil cold bush.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Like I'm stuff up now, it seems like you have to go boil some before him go sleep.
I now go to look no cold bush I know.
But I'm gonna need something for drink. You have leaf for life.
Yeah, I have leaf for life. Oh yeah, that's a cold bush too, yeah.
Yeah, you have leaf for life, so you pick it and boil it.
Yeah.
You want some tea, George?
No.
Yeah, man, drink some tea.
I'll probably marry it tomorrow.
What you say? Tomorrow? But your nose kind of stuffy.
Yeah.
You don't want to drink some now before you go to your bed. Because listen, your nose kind of stuffy. Yeah. Eh? I'm not going to eat that. You going to eat the leaf? Would I eat the leaf? George?
No.
I'm not going to eat it. You want to drink some tea before you go to bed then? Yeah?
You say you will wait till tomorrow, so.
No, man, I'm saying I drink it. You drink it, right?
I come here and do that thing that Cause you know stuffy.
Yeah.
You got uncomfortable sleeping tonight.
I know.
And you sleep on your back, right?
No. Not now.
Eh?
No.
I said, not now, dear. Yeah, we know nothing now happen to you. But still, you know. One judge, you know.
Yeah.
I got check your brother and hear where myself.
Alright.
And come back, okay?
Alright. You take care.
Yeah, man. Take care.
Yeah.
I'm still here.
Yeah.
Me hear what judge has said. Patrick. Huh? What you say? Repeat. Orlando. You hear what I'm saying? Take me a time to understand at times, you know.
Yeah, I feel listen keenly.
Yeah.
Hey, where's it now?
Take time. Come down.
Yeah, take your time.
Yeah.
Do it.
Take your time. Do it.
Alright then.
I mean, I hear what you say, listen.
Yeah.
Me hear take your time, but me not hear what you say.
Charles.
Wait, take time.
You hear what him say? What him say? Take the time on what? We got you a Charles, I say, right, Patrick?
Yeah.
So come back. Charles said, here, take your time. Charles, they say, here, take your time. And what else? Man, like it up on Miami Beach.
I hold man to that now, I hold man, I'm 62 now.
How much?
72.
72, you get younger now. That's good. Fix your clothes. Fix them shit over in Orlando. That means you're younger, finally he's younger, boom.
Well, 82 again.
It's not 82 anymore.
Yeah, I'm 82 now.
No, you just tell me say you're 72.
82 man.
82. Man, judge area, you know. You know, once judge area, you know, you're not going to say a lie.
You don't say I like, we now work.
You just tell me you're 62 anyway.
62 man.
Eh?
62 man.
And a young man that.
That is a boss. It's a boss by. I'll
change the age now, 82.
No, I'm saying I'm 72 now.
It's a boss by.
You take off some.
It's a boss by.
That's good. Patrick! Him say I'm 72, that correct? Eh? Him say alright?
Yeah, it's alright.
That correct? Yeah! Him say you're 72 then. Him say correct. Finally, you accept say you're 72 then.
Yeah, man.
Alright. See that good, at least him come back
I
to
look
you.
for your granny.
Huh?
I want to look for your granny.
If me I look for my granny?
Yeah.
Me have two granny now, one passed away, one still alive.
You have to give thanks.
Yes, we give thanks.
One thing you have to give thanks to them now.
Of course.
And if you have something you can give something.
Get them from now, right?
Now you don't get old for you.
Yeah.
Why you get old too now?
Of course, I can reach your age to 82.
Now get old too you want.
Yeah, one day we are gonna get old. Well, we're gonna evolve. I'm not getting old, I'm gonna evolve. More and more. Yeah. We'll bring some Ensure here, Orlando.
I don't want to
Yeah, so
From
get
Andrew.
Yeah,
Andrew.
okay.
From the US.
From the US, I get some Ensure for
Yeah,
the brothers, two brothers, Alfonso and Patrick. Yeah, many respect and thanks.
No one will eat no bun and cake. Bun and
Bun and cake?
no cake with that. And that bun and cheese.
Bun and you love bun and cheese though.
Yeah, I like
it's a big
it. I eat that with that.
Yeah.
We love that in belly.
Bun and cheese? That's what I love when him did fit.
Oh.
I usually. Yeah, me eat and give me
I eat it now?
eat the same way. But when I buy now, like in that age, I buy the one with the fruits in it, like.
Why the raisin them stuff?
Yeah. So I not practice by a little round bun.
Oh,
when
no.
him did that on him foot, if you not buy a long one,
him buy
a little round one, but
so,
that's not too healthy for me now.
So a long time I feed on the bun and the cheese.
Yeah.
A long time, man.
So you like the bun and cheese and,
No, man.
and Judge like the pork?
Yes, but
So I have to buy one with it.
this is last doctor.
Like me.
Even doctor said was a rubbing foot with cold medicine. Hard first, cold medicine.
Eh?
And you're alright. You know, rubbing 2 times a day. I mean, alright.
Cold medicine?
Cold medicine, say alcohol and cold medicine.
For rub your foot with it?
Yeah. And cut the pain.
Oh, you can't rub it with
Alcohol,
the alcohol, not the cold medicine, the alcohol.
It's alcohol and cold medicine.
No,
No.
medicine, yeah, something you drink.
Yeah.
Alcohol outside rubbing.
Yeah.
Uncle outside your alcohol use.
They can't rub the cold medicine on your foot.
Watch it now, you.
You hear, Charles?
Eh?
You can't rub the cold medicine on your feet.
Yeah, last week I don't do it.
Well, no, Alan did it last week.
Maybe.
I know it him though.
When though?
Alcohol.
Alcohol him rub.
Then it's all them mix together.
No, them not mix together. Them not mix together, man.
They don't mix together.
No. Judge.
No,
Eh?
So nothing like that. So I got to
I said nothing like that.
No,
No, Judge said nothing like that.
Yeah,
Just,
we take you around pain.
no man, the alcohol them use, man. It's not the medicine.
It tells you about use pain, alcohol for pain.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
don't use the cold one after.
No, you can't use the cold one. Yeah, Judge I tell you said no, nothing like that. Yeah, Judge know what I go on and that man. Me and Alan know what I go on. It's not that one. Yeah. All right.
Yeah, thank you.
Alright then, that's a cool medicine. I don't know, we have a bag as well too for you as well too for them call it the caregiver.
Caregiver.
Yeah, so the caregiver bag. 2 of them.
Okay.
And this is from
I received
When you get
caregiver bag.
Eh?
for you the caregiver.
For you, the caregiver.
Eh?
Alright.
And then this is from a caregiver as well. So 1 caregiver to 1 next caregiver.
Okay. I appreciate the offer.
Mm-hmm.
I hope this will help in many ways. Thank you very much.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
From the caregiver
From the caregiver
to a
next
caregiver.
Yeah.
So just say the bag is for you.
Okay.
So it's for help out CME. So I don't know what's inside it, so you will know.
Yeah, me don't know. Me son look away.
Yeah, you
You
know.
can't get a pair of shoes out there. You can't give a pair of shoes.
A pair of shoes?
10 or 9.
10 or 9, which one?
9 or 10.
9 or 10. But you can't wear 9 or 10. What kind of
9 or 10.
9 or, well, oh, you go wear 9 or 10.
They don't want to wear, they don't want to wear.
No, sir. And I saw you if you tell him, say,
What's
yeah, we are 9.5 or probably 10.
Yeah, not 9 or 10. Yeah.
That's a better explanation.
But US are 9 or 10 US.
No, you're not really going to wear shoes.
Yeah, I want to say you're not going to wear shoes.
True.
True. You want more bed clothes.
If you get a bed clothes on, I'll get thanks.
Yeah, because you're not going to wear. You're staying in the bed though.
For a week.
A week?
Yeah, man.
Strong, man. You're
And
strong.
last time I get up and fall down.
You get up last night?
I
A
get
long
up.
time I get up though.
I get up. I get up in the rain.
In can
Get up.
Sit
You
down
know, in the
myself.
rain. I don't want.
Ease up
I don't
yourself
want
and take up your chimney and use it. But like you sit down up normal,
Yeah.
you can't do that again.
Mm.
You can't sit down normal.
Patrick can help himself though.
Yeah, Patrick will crawl and go up on the chimney we're having.
Okay. So Patrick more stronger.
Yeah, he having more energy than him.
You can see that when time Patrick in the bed, him flexible, you know.
Yeah.
Flexible.
How do you want to see it?
Eh?
How do you want to see it?
Oh, who's there?
Your mother.
My mother?
Yeah.
She alright, you know.
Not foreign.
Yeah.
Oh, you're alright then, man.
Yeah, she alright, man.
I care your body too. You don't care you.
Eh?
You don't care you.
If you don't
So if
care,
you care,
if you care my body?
Yeah, man.
I care about money too.
Yeah, man, I care my body, man. And that's why you have to care your body too, okay?
Now I'm born and care.
No, they're not carrying a bun and cheese.
You want bun and cheese?
Yeah, man, I tell you I want it.
Alright, I get all enough to buy bun and cheese, yeah?
Okay.
How much is the bun and cheese all around though?
Well, I don't know what it is.
It's
can
like
buy
a
it.
small long one, them 1,000 are supposed to can buy.
Alright.
Yeah.
So I get all of the money for buy bun and cheese for you, okay?
Alright, thank you.
Yeah. Judge!
So
Judge,
we
you
get
bun and cheese too.
money. Yeah, man, share for it twice.
Yeah.
When there.
Thank you, yeah.
So you can eat bun and cheese and drink the Ensure.
Yeah.
Bun and cheese and Ensure. For sure. Alright then, so I'm gonna run left on the now, yeah?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Alright, so next time, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where is it? George?
And said take care.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright then, yeah?
So,
Patrick?
yeah, respect.
Yeah. Oh, that rain and drip?
Yeah, man.
Fine now.
Alright, that drop.
Rain did that drizzle.
Joke say me, man, can see that.
But me not think rain and fall is
Yeah,
outside.
that-
Just
that
on the
man.
cloud.
Hmm.
Rain man.
One judge.
Alright, George, later.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, then I will.
Yeah, man, I just drop it.
Alright, guys, anyway, thing goes. So we give thanks to the caregiver and also Andrew as well too for blessing the brothers them, you know. We thank you so much for the blessings. I got some pain in my neck back.
Yeah, man, yeah, no respect.
Trust me, I got pain in my neck back. Guys, the rain. The rain is forward. Now walk out the rain. From what my neck under some pain there. Yeah. Guys, the rain is coming. But from the other day, my neck is feeling some pain. You know, probably I need a massage or something, but I'm telling you, it's been giving me a warm time. I need to go and check it out. So we're heading out now, heading out. Boy, is it?
With that moment.
Why is your that? What's that over there?
What that?
How can I leave that?
Oh, wait in there. It get too big. Noonie.
Oh, no need. Oh, cut it down.
Yeah. Some of them there. Give me some of them there. Try man, boy. Yeah, you can do it now.
Okay. Ah.
Okay.
Yeah, boy, with the boom?
Yeah. Good boss. Noonie. Too much on. I you know some of some Jane.
No
When
need.
Jane?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Ray. Remember that.
Alright then, boys.
We're going to check one boy, see.
Wow. Don't fret about nothing. No fruits.
Pine season coming through.
Yeah. I mean, I'm gonna look on something and tell her.
Yeah. Couple months time. Not so long.
What I'm saying?
Wait, so not so long.
Couple months I will leave, you know.
Alright then. Alright then, boys.
Just wait a month around off and we'll go check again.
Alright then.
Big up.
Alright, big up, yeah.
Boy.
Oh guys, boy.
We here by Mama River. You know, up here is, I don't know, I see so many cars up here. But I guess the sun is out, hot. So everybody is out for the river. Trust me. Oh! Can you share around there? Can you share around there, sir? Sit them here. Watch your bicycle now. Watch your wheel wobble. No. Evening.
All the time. Why is he here and come?
We go across before and come on. Work I put in. Cool now. Ballad. Yes, yes. Maybe the steps in.
Take over, Gina. Take over. Taking over, Gina. Taking over.
Cooking?
Yeah, taking over. Yeah.
Bag of beer. Watch out. You need to jump by the pool. You see it, man?
Madman, madman.
I'm try right cross. Go. Water rise up. Business are going? Business are going here? Toko, what you selling? Toko?
Rum shopping.
Grab our weed.
What's in here? Rum. Peanuts. That's all now?
Everything done early. She make half the whole money, then she have the money up there.
One yesterday full of biscuit.
Tell him again.
3 biscuits alone left.
How much for them?
150 and this is 150.
Two bills to the big foot. Look at boy, I come from Star, look at people.
These are going good Cranberry.
Oh, 150. You can't tell me that. I make my mother come lick me. And if you know how much you know, you see all the woman. 150.
So yeah, see a lot.
She need for herself.
I want your chin.
Nail joke me.
Nail joke you? I want it. Come see this. You nail joke you underneath yourself?
Yesterday they want to play me and nail the window where I go. Nail the hand of my window.
So what that pan it?
Something they go pan it. I don't know what my mother say. Anytime you get cut, this I got the hand like oh them the pan the cut.
I want to say a special.
The last time you burn up yourself, now you say nail joke you.
Nail joke?
Yeah, it's she burn up herself.
Yeah.
But I don't understand she burn up herself and burn up on her neck back. That part that puzzle me.
Neck back part?
Yeah.
120.
That part that puzzle me, you know. You ever seen a body splash up so much place and then in your neck back? Like how that reach in her neck back?
When in her neck back? But I never see that, I see her. What that in the phone? Water.
Water,
Kim, they look like bun, they look like scrape.
A burn.
Tell him again.
It kind of look like this.
Cranberry, I see a lot, sir. Our security, I sell to Cranberry. Peanuts, banana chips, big
This
foot.
does come down and where she want him to have this?
You pull it wrong, you're not supposed to touch the mouth part.
When I falling, people around there.
Yeah, below.
The below.
Stop looking.
I'm not behave for myself, Tara.
So why Chucky not come you are?
No, God, leave the bicycle. Yo, JJ, I saw me come on the corner and them old from behind bicycle.
See a load, Cranberry, I see a load. Come over here, so come get the banana chips. Peanuts and the water with it. Shatter rum with the cranberry with it. Boom. With it. Special. With it.
Special.
No police can lock me up and kill you. Police dead. And the police come around and say it's my river and God give me it. You see when I see police come, I just lock up the eagle and act like a juice.
So boom, my banana chips there. In bite?
I prepare me. Boom can't go around up here. Look at that chair and throw boom over gully. What you say?
I don't know.
Oh, I must get trying to tell that I'm here and boom work. I wear me and all the paint man I see now. And the one who I do the tile, you see my papi. But we are by grocery boy. I don't love sell a river too much.
Ah, that him say.
And that him said, oh. That's what I'm telling you, you see me wait, no, we are telling the wrong thing for. The man never said that.
Yes.
Eh?
That's a papa.
He say my go down. Oh. Why you love tells?
I never tell a lie, Daddy.
That's I die, yeah, tell.
That's a papa. Someone go home.
Hey, remember I talk about that in a show fight about it. I'm gonna look. I'm look where I go when I'm falling.
You know, I do jump off me and sing.
Mm.
I'm have to sing, come up back.
You see, I sing. See hello to everybody, see hello.
Everything finished now.
You left Justina alone on there?
Yes, everything finished.
Yeah, one back round. Them finish.
Mm.
You hungry come?
See, I go back and go buy up snacks.
You can run come tomorrow.
I want to juice here, you know. I can bring on for a juice up there, so.
Oh, somebody buy juice.
More than one juice, why now?
Two of them you want?
Yeah, just done 5 bills.
Done the 5 bills, Kenisha. See you load, see you load. Pay not. Tiki. Anybody want tiki?
Me go around this to find
I'm a pear tree this.
Just see it?
Yeah.
Avocado.
I want the one that was
Star apple mean, star apple.
the means.
Yeah, star apple.
Can I want to buy one of these?
Hmm?
120.
120. See them stall with them list of, you know. And then and it mash up.
Fill it back with that. Fill it back and stack it out.
Yeah.
We come on to the weekend.
And what's that? Yeah, when weekend time, them do them for
Yeah, man, them active.
Yeah. And Shava Igloo said a little juice and water, you know. Stop with that, boy. Some businesswoman, they're waiting on you.
Kenisha, guess what? Kenisha, let them stop the bicycle.
You stop it? Cranberry sailing out. Sail out. So when you buy the juice from somebody else?
Yeah. The whole I do some of the have them done. Them beef up. So them get
Hurry up and come and go to this and go to my yard.
Cranberry, me not come.
I charge you on the road?
I'm going on the road.
No.
But I get.
Sail out.
What on? Yeah, I'm give him the rum and the boom already.
So what you selling in the stall? You have
Boom and Campari.
rum, boom, Campari,
Yeah.
and snacks,
And snack.
and juice.
But the amount of snack come buy. One box. And you come too late. You come too late when everything almost finished. And them go finish before night car. Only for people they run a river. It's safe to come back. And when them buy the chocolate, them have to come back for more.
So this is the grocery them where say they go buy
Yeah,
something
the snack
they go buy the
them
other
go
day.
buy. And she said she'll buy more Sunday.
Yeah.
Come on, me go buy it when the store.
I was gonna ask you, Kenisha, what to that thing the way you say road crush?
Alright, you know what I go for your saw yesterday? Actually go for go cut some posts for make back the stall itself. So I end up get a saw yesterday. I just the gas alone for just buy and put in it and Georgie go cut some posts that we can make back the stall or you just have car. The stall I pass through, lick it down.
Stand up, Natara.
Come down. Yeah, one.
Stand up, Mantara, man.
Mama just said the rum pack. No, me not doing
I get two.
Yeah.
Mama tell me how much you rum. Tell me that is
about 250 me I say.
Stand up, Tara.
The rum one. Stand up and hear them more you list so.
how much car? Them say a 2 car. How much 2 car? Like train I cut me a car.
Remember me sell it because you can't sell rum. First of all, police will lock you up when you sell rum.
Yeah, you're not supposed to sell
You
rum.
can call me come in here.
Every time I call you and answer.
How much time are they doing for money?
Matters just gone, you know how much things matter as this matters you can get.
Alright, so we bring her back here.
No, talk
We bring her back.
I see him one time.
Pinedo! Pinedo!
30 grand.
No, Pinedo, I mean.
Oh, me 30 grand.
Pinedo!
Get the money for them, this alone for girls. I'm almost late.
Alright guys, so I'm here with the Cranberry family.
I viewers.
Them sailing out.
them sailing out right now. Them sailing out. So as you can see, the stall sell right off. Cranberry make $1 million today. So I guess them don't need us anymore.
No,
you know?
we need you guys.
Them rich and ready.
Yeah,
You know,
rich
so
out, you know. Rich out, Cranberry, rich out.
yes, guys. So Kensha.
Cranberry, remember me Akeynote, you know.
If me a boss everybody.
Yeah, okay. We are care. Your boss, your care, or van.
Everybody. But no left back nobody bring everybody in the earth.
Alright, so yesterday, remember telling so one barrel came with some stuff inside it with some names and
the tablet for Kino.
I know for me.
Yes.
The tablet have name on the box, so I don't know who yet. Last year you get big birthday party.
Yeah. I want to bring you out again.
Me?
You not left me.
I mean, I'm leaving you anywhere you stand.
Yeah,
No.
You know, Kino? The rest of man call with.
Oh, yeah, you know what I say?
Which Rasta
One
man?
years, I see her over UC. I don't remember her name exactly, but over UC at the end of CR. And she said, I'm big up Kino. And she said she's been watching you from Din days.
Jin.
Yeah.
Mommy, remember someone
Hi, and big up yourself. I don't really remember your name.
Mommy, and Sunday when they get in the report today.
Who?
Oh, a woman from Kaman.
A woman from Kaman?
Nadine.
Nadine,
she wanted me to shout out her YouTube page, which she see me and tell me 100 times now. So Nadine, I can go over to her YouTube page and watch her. Nadine from Kaman.
I said name Nadine?
No, her name is Nadine. That is her YouTube page.
Oh, Nadine. Okay. Come on. Alright, so first we have a bag here. And this bag have. How is it your bag?
Cranberry.
A cranberry left on it?
Yeah.
Like, the cranberry get money bag. That she see from the right to the right thing. Here, cranberry. You have a money bag there from Andrew.
Andrew, thank you so much and make your basket never empty. And may God bless you.
On behalf of Cranberry, thank you, Andrew, and make your food basket never empty.
Alright, so like one will always love the pool as well too, the water. These are some body wash.
Yeah?
Yeah, these are body wash.
So pretty?
Here are Tara.
What you have to say?
Thank you.
These are body wash.
Thank you for my blue.
Where's Toko?
Come
here.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
And this one's for Toko. It's really solid, you know, so you use some on the body. This one is for
tip.
Toko. Yeah.
Like so tip and
It's a little tip.
The top.
you can go so to see.
The top for screw off.
Yeah.
So it goes so. See
Please.
that? See that now for screw off, it just goes so.
No, it cover.
Cover.
You want something and that, I see it already.
Please remember, it's not sweetie.
See that? Come off already.
Yeah.
It's from Andrew, the body wash.
Yeah.
See that?
Andrew, on behalf of Toko, thank you so much and may God bless you.
Remember, it's not sweetie. So please please remember not to drink it.
If we drink it, we all died.
Come tell Andrew.
A soap in the Tara?
Yes, you sure rub it on our skin
Tara, a soap, you have to wash it off.
You have to wash it off.
It's soap.
Oh, I want to jump because you want to buy something and can't buy it, you know, Kino can want $50.
Let me get chump one chocolate, man. Give him the chocolate.
Take it down.
Give him the chocolate, you pay for it, right? Get her the $50.
I'm not making no go on the road and me have a daddy.
Tell him, sir.
Here.
Alright.
Look at my wheel too.
Look at my
Can't have a pressure in this side.
no bicycle for
Like so.
No.
Okay, so we have two stuff here. This is like two top. One is for Cranberry Mother and one is for Chargy. And Chargy is not here. So this one is yours, Kenisha, from Andrew.
Andrew, thank you for the two top for me on behalf of Georgie.
This one is for Brother George.
So much and may God bless you. And make your food basket never empty.
And also, we have the...
the bag I roll.
You want a bag there?
Yes.
The seals out. Alright, so we have... this is for Chargy as well too. No? This is the father there. Ah, big up.
Hi, Mama.
And please guys, remember so this is not for only to eat. It's not for only sweetie.
Like vitamins.
Yes, vitamins. And it's for Chargy.
It's not gonna make you eat. You can't eat.
Me no wanna.
So
Yeah, go away.
this is for Chargy.
Chemo don't make her eat that. No, she can't eat it.
So that's the same thing from Andrew as well to for Chargy.
Andrew, thank you so much, and may God bless you and make your food basket never.
Yeah, thank Andrew as well.
Thank you too.
Andrew.
Ashimi Alupana. Thank you, Andrew. And may God bless you and you have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Andrew. And may God bless you. You have a wonderful day. Thank you, Andrew. And may God bless you. You have a wonderful day.
Look at them.
Dangerous. Please remember, Toko, it's not sweet, you know.
Yeah, a body wash.
A body wash is soap. Yeah? So don't drink it. It's soap. Yep. So we have the last but not least.
Is a tablet.
We have a package here.
Come here.
So who want the bag?
Me!
No. You can show the bag for
Give me your bag, Mama.
shopping bag.
Shopping.
You can't say something like planet what we get.
30 grand.
Try pull this.
Come open this there.
We have knife.
CRANBERRY. We have knife.
Because we have a name already on the box. So guys, there's a tablet in this box. You know. Oh, see knife here. What? Are we going to run knife here?
No, we are cut off like for people.
No, we don't cut the
scan jar.
You know, so today we end up make the pool, but we make it more deeper than this.
because we have a bigger sandbag.
Hey, you can't come help one day to put up sandbag.
Give me this one.
Kimo. Could I get this?
Wow.
Wow.
Well, it's
One.
Can mash it up. Can mash it up.
Oh, something else in there.
One kiss coming. Oh, you know the tablet in there.
Oh, the tablet and the case that they call.
The key not bring but the tablet.
Alright, so artist. Manas, you know. But you know who this man artist? You know who this? Tell me movie where coming again.
Yeah, man, I just remember him face now, man. Just remember him face now, man.
Better must come.
Yeah, that's him.
Give me some. Do a piece of the patrol, man. I made them know where to find the song. Hey, hold on.
Yeah, man, they're on YouTube, they're on Spotify and them thing there. See, what is on?
Yeah.
Yeah, a poco you don't know. Minister against patrol, you know, man.
Yeah.
You understand?
So this is the minister for the patrol here in Jamaica. You know? And most of you probably know the family affairs from Better Must Come in the movie. When time say I'm an artist, when the youngster them hold him and say, yo, sing for me. As him start singing, you know.
Stop that rain from blowing to my front door.
Yeah.
Big tune that, you know?
Yeah, and the man say, hey, and goes and slice the man across him face, you know. But you know, says the artist, you know, himself, you know, international reggae artist. You know, a few songs out there where you can get familiar with. You can check him out on YouTube, Spotify, all of them thing, right?
You know, she not carrying up at all. She not carrying up at all. That's why I love my baby to the soul.
Hey.
Love my baby to my soul, yeah. I've got to protect my front end parts, yeah.
She no carry no patrol. Alright, big up artist, yeah. Alright. In our I see it already in it?
Yeah.
Alright, so here we have a big.
This is like a laptop.
It's like a laptop. So right now I don't know whose name is on the box, but her name is on the box. See the name there?
That is not a name.
It is a name.
No name that a QR code and a number fit.
But the name, no, listen, this one is in numbers. This is the Matrix. You know? You ever watch the Matrix?
No.
Yeah, so everything is in numbers, so we know the name. So don't worry. So it will convert itself. Give it time, it will convert. You know? So, Toko, who tablet you think it is?
CRANBERRY.
You don't know?
Kino.
Me? I want to bring my tablet come. I can't bring my tablet come. Tara, whose tablet is that? Yours? Alright, I like her spirit. Toko, whose tablet is it?
Everybody.
Don't afraid to say you are a pint. Who you think it is? You? Alright, she says she.
Everybody.
You say everybody?
But expect chump.
Chump.
So one to J.
Super tablet.
One to J.
CRANBERRY, she never get no birthday present last year.
Thank you.
Oh.
I love you.
She get big party last year.
She get party, but she never get no present.
Of course.
Me, Kimo, you not buy me something for my birthday, because my father never, and my mother never buy me nothing.
Yeah. Hey, so Kenisha,
You never get a bicycle.
You never get a bicycle.
That's how me there 9, but now me at 10. I'm never getting nothing for my birthday.
Say get something with your 9, not with your 10. No, sir. So Kenisha, who you think it is?
CRANBERRY.
Toko.
CRANBERRY.
CRANBERRY. So who you think it is?
Jaisha.
You think it's Jaisha?
Yes.
Okay, well.
God said when I give her it, you can get back. And I willing to give Jaisha, please, Father.
Eh?
Did you find it? Find it?
Find what?
There's something on it.
Yeah, it was on my key. So you were tick. It's calculating. You know? It's calculating. So while it's calculating, Esther go and setting up. Well, this is a big thing going on here. So this is got the keyboard as well too. No Wi-Fi to connect.
We're going to get hotspot.
Hotspot. And this is also from Andrew.
Thank you so much, Andrew, and may God
bless you. Do have a wonderful day.
Even though they don't know.
Andrew, thank you so much.
And may God bless you.
And I don't know who it is until the name pop up.
So guys, so you in the comment section, who do you think this tablet belongs to? Ding.
Aya. It belongs to Aya. It belongs to Aya. I'm Aya.
Yeah, Aya. Is it Nanner? Is it Aya? Is it Fire? Is it Toko? Is it Tara? Is it CRANBERRY? Is it Kenisha?
Say if it's a CRANBERRY, what do?
Huh?
If it's a me, what do?
Can't do anything. I have to give it to the owner. So ready? Ding. Raffle the box.
Ding.
You ready? Some of our headphone as well too.
Ding.
Ready? So ding. So the box is raffling. So on the box we have ta-da!
Big data. What big data?
Oh, see there? It write the name on the box.
You mean big data?
Toko.
Oh, JJ Inspire.
So guys, so the as you can see, the tablet
is
CRANBERRY, the big daughter. So this is your birthday gift.
So much.
Bring the tablet.
So here you go. That is your tablet from Andrew.
Thank you, Andrew, and may God bless you. You have a wonderful day.
So here you go. Andrew, thank you again. Thank you so much. Here, CRANBERRY. Charger this, answer the box there as well too. Andrew, thank you so much, for blessing CRANBERRY for our birthday. The tablet come the right time. And I'm gonna say she will learn more from it. Please not sell it.
Why me go sell it?
Please not, because I know she loves selling now. Don't put it on your stall for sale. Because CRANBERRY will sell everything. CRANBERRY sell all the honey to the bees. I'm telling you, so please not sell it. Yes guys, so thank you so much, Andrew. It's a blessing. Come on the right time. Andrew, big up yourself. Andrew from USA. So You get something better than phone.
That's more than phone.
And please not sell it, right?
We do not sell it.
Don't say that.
And don't leave it.
Me not going to tablet. You feel like you can't make nobody teeth like that one the back car. When more
Don't
you
leave
jump.
Don't leave it outside. She not gonna remember that. Tell her mother so her mother know.
Remember my mother can't.
It's come like this, like laptop.
Mommy 2020. Just get it for me.
So it have a point already.
Easy.
You have YouTube point already.
Wow, I'm not
You know the password is easy.
Yeah.
You don't put on the service?
Yeah.
I never got hotspot.
Hotspot.
No, I can't buy service.
Hotspot.
So there, it's time I want to buy me a service.
Buy your service?
Yeah. Like your own service. Mama want to get number and I'm coming.
You want my number? No!
Number.
It's every day.
My sister number. Alright,
Every day I call me.
My sister number.
Nana, give me number.
So we get the tablet on everybody know. Alright.
Alright.
Never go na game. Nah, but I go na game.
We can't do no game on TV.
So you can't take the TV.
Take the remote.
You can't take the TV.
Alright, so in this week coming, I want to make sure I'm going to sort out the bunk bed as well, so I can get the bunk bed sorted out.
Next year, I'm going to be 11. So you're going to give me for my birthday present.
I say, ask the people.
You're going to give me for my birthday present.
I give you something when you're 7.
No, 7.
I give you something when you're 7.
No, 7.
Yeah. Yes, really sample, man.
Eva, for the camera. For the camera, for the...
If you play education as something, I listen to it and remember them.
Yeah. So you just do a lot of studies on that.
No, but I want to TikTok on that.
Wow, I'm not going to TikTok like I don't know what to on TikTok.
Alright, Ken.
Alright.
I gotta move there.
Buy one ticket.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Toko. Toko, wait, the Vex? Don't worry, Canberra, go share the tablet with you.
I can get the TV full out like this stuff.
Oh man, Toko. Toko in a Vex mood when she hear Cranberry. You see it. Toko, no worry. Toko Vex. Toko, come here. Come here, Toko. Where you vex for? And your sister, you must happy for her, okay? Look at me. Look at me, she's gonna share with you. Yeah? I'm talking to you, miss.
Toko, what about it?
What if it end?
What about it?
Shall I share with you, yeah?
Yeah. You're gonna get it for play there.
Oh, don't worry, man. She's gonna share with them. Cranberry, share with your sisters. You know, don't worry. How about this? Oh, glass. Oh, that's in it. Don't break it. Glass. Alright, then later. Bye bye.
Same journey.
Yeah. Yeah. Watch out now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.